Check out this diesel heater on this T6, fitted underneath, so it's nice and quiet. Once we fitted the controller and all the wiring set up, you can get it powered on with the inlet in the driver's step and the outlet behind the driver's chair, with a multi-directional vent so you can change where it's blowing to. Then we can have a look at the 7-day timer. These are what we recommend when we do diesel heaters. They're just a better controller, making it easier to get it all started. So when it's in just the cool blowing mode, the ring will light up blue. You can change the time it will blow for. When in heating mode, you've got the choice of anywhere between 10 and 720 minutes, or just constant. And then temperatures from 8 degrees up to 38 degrees.